So the last time we show you how you can invite friends to join you, and like I told you, you can do that every day or maybe some hours of the day, like 2 times or 3 times a day. And we also told you the goal to have as many friends as possible to become your followers, because here on page is follower that the Facebook is looking for. And also to that, by the time we are through with all this, your page heads handling, by the time we get to 100%, we know the page head is sound. Remember, that's what we are doing. Okay, what we are doing right now is we are optimizing our page head. Remember, the first time we started this, it was almost like half, but after inviting friends, look at where it has gone. By the time we get to 100, I will finish for optimizing everything. I'm now show you another tactics that you can use to get a lot of friends. And remember, also give you a lot of advice like joining group and the rest of them, which can go a long way. So without much ado, let's continue from where we stop. I won't click next because I still want to invite some friends. And then after that, I'll click next. Okay, so if you are with me, click on invite friends. Oh, no friends to invite. Okay, so they invited all that they want us to invite for today. So another day will come over and continue. So for now, let's click on next to continue where we are going. So stay informed about your page. Okay, turn on these features to help make the most of Ceiven mobile stroke laptop accessory store. You can change them at any time in settings. Man, at this stage, you know you are still growing. You are just coming up. Follow Facebook rules and regulation. They understand the game. Okay, they have over billions of followers with different niches, and their algorithm are very smart. So my dear, if you join Facebook and follow the instruction, you won't get lost. I can assure you of that. After all, it's their platform. They are going to promote you, because the more they promote you, the more they advertise people's product, the more they make money, and the more you too make money. Okay, so make sure you optimize this. Turn it on. Your page notification on your profile should be on, so they can notify you on anything. Okay, updates and stuff like that. Okay, your marketing and promotional emails about your page should be on, so you can easily market without Facebook limiting you. Okay, and all these things have a reason. Later on, when you start marketing, promoting, running ads, Facebook will have a free hand, because we already authorize them to use a free hand by making sure that you turn this notification. So let's click on done. Okay, so we are through page optimization, head optimization. If you check our heads, page head, what do you see? They say good. Okay, so we are through with this, and it's very good. The next is for us to link our website, but remember, I will teach you how to create your website one-on-one here, and after creating it, like I promise you, we'll come and link it up here. So for now, leave this. Okay, so if you check, these are the little things we have, but guess what? You can start posting, you can start adding friends, you can start looking for friends, you can add features, you can edit details. Okay, so that's the only thing you put before now is not complete. Don't be afraid that how can I change it? No, if you want to change it, come over here, edit details. You click on edit details, you can change your house address and every other thing you can think of changing. Okay, you can also come over here later. Now I won't teach you this for now. We are coming here where we talk about professional dashboard, how to run your insight, ad center, how to create an ads, how to boost your Instagram post, settings and stuff like that. We're still coming over there. Okay, but let me just explain the whole page to you. So if you check the first one, if you come over here, you check, you see how you can, if you want to run ads on this page, maybe you want to advertise this your profile piece, you just click on advertise, and from there, step by step, Facebook will show you. They are going to do it, so don't worry. They can also go to your professional dashboard to see where you are, who is following you, and who you are following. By the time they start growing, you can do that. Then this is where you can post. You just click here and you post whenever you want to post. Okay, and immediately it will come on board. Okay, then if it's a video, same thing. Okay, you can come over here and click video or photo, whatever you want to do, you can click it here, choose anyone and post. Okay, and also so I can get viral posts, viral videos can go viral in a way that Facebook will not even hold you that you are using someone else's video. No, we use ads by big companies as if we are promoting them, and that's what these companies like. In fact, if you are doing it and you get to a stage where maybe you have a lot of followers, they might even pay you to come and promote them but you actually use them to grow your followers. So I will teach you all of that step by step. So once you're through, you can also filter your post, you can manage your post. Okay, let's still go down. I still want to show you something. They can run inside. Let's say you've sent this post now, you've created an ad or you've created anything. This way you can run inside to see if how many people will actually watch it, connect it, and stuff like that. Okay, then if you want to comment, you can comment, and don't forget this: after posting anything, be the first to comment on it. If it's a video, be the first to watch it, like it, and comment. Give like 2-3 comments that will move people to action. Like, did you enjoy this video? What do you enjoy in this video? Where are you watching from? Stuff like that can move them to comment on your profile. For example, if you don't comment on your video, how do you expect another person to comment on it? So it's another secret that many people don't know. Be the first to watch it and comment on it. Give me a very favorable comment. Okay, then I think that is the end for there. Then photos, this way you can also put all your photos. Any photo you bring here, add here. Like I told you, this way you can edit those details, add more features, edit your bio, and all those stuff. So we are through with this. So in our next class, we'll come over to this last place where I'll show you everything here stage by stage, just explanation, introduction to all of this, because later I'll be you working with them. Okay, so see you there in our next class, and thank you for hanging around with Ceiven today. Thank you.